this food?
And
The one there.
Yeah. And I want to make dinner for my family, like soupy food. Now then I bye-bye. The day before yesterday, I prepared white rice and beans. So I'm now transferring everything to the bowl. In our place, we call it wachi, that's rice and beans. This is how the wachi looks like. Still continue adding it, see, because I kept it in the fridge. Hi. Fast, okay? Yeah. Be careful there. Go and eat your food. Don't take that thing out. Hey, don't take it out. When we were going, I removed chicken from the freezer so that it would defrost. I did that. It has really defrosted well. So I'll just wash it, clear all those yellow parts, and start cooking. I want to also wash this pot. I prep all the vegetables, so this one, the cooking will not delay. The only thing that will delay is the chicken. Chicken. Is the chicken. Okay, don't worry. Because now no digital. So you can just cover it and put it somewhere that he will not take it. The two of us, we are craving for soup food, so go back. Oh, I better work kitchen. Are you come to help me? Don't worry, very soon, God willing, you will help me, okay? I can ask you to cut vegetables for me. Prep all the vegetables for me. Then you do, right? The way I want this food to cook fast, because I'm hungry and it's not that we don't have food. We have rice and beans in the fridge. That's not what we want to eat. I have to just do it fast. Wash this chicken. It has defrosted so well. I'll cook everything and then divide it. Yeah. Yeah. Turkey. No. Yeah. Turkey to it. So we have added the salt and this is not turkey. So this, see this part? I always cut it off because I don't like to see that part in my food. So I always cut it off. Hello. Go to them.
What could be?
Huh?
You decide. Poo? Poo. Kela poo.
you are doing something and if you are doing something and your baby is not close by, it's good. You can do it fast, because they are inside the bedroom and I'm here. If not, this boy will be wasting my time, because he will just crawl to me, hold my leg, and I have to just stop and attend to him. I like cooking and cleaning at the same time, so that after cooking you will not stand in the kitchen and you cook so that after you got no time to waste. Using 2 of this. And then we went and bought this one. We wanted a fresh one, but we couldn't see some. We did not see it at the fresh produce, so we later went to the frozen. We later saw this one at the frozen section. I will not do it that sweet, at least. When they make the tomatoes ready before. I'm using only 1 tomato and 2 peppers because of the boy.
Can you smell what I'm smelling? Yeah, great cook. You know, mommy. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Kayla. Wow. 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 Yeah. Yeah.
These are the vegetables I'm using for the soup. I've already washed it and cut it, so it makes the cooking fast. My love. So I've added tomato paste to it and also some hot sauce. And greens are still defrosing. So now I can add the okra. Yeah. Oh, right now. Are you hungry? Babe, Miss Rob, mommy. Oh, I didn't remove something. Oh goodness, I'm almost done. The soup is almost done. I've adjusted it with pepper and also salt. When I start to make the swallow, I'll let you guys see. Am I divided? Okay, say the guy. Because of the meat being big, we will serve the inside, the soup inside. Because we couldn't get a big knife when we went to Walmart. We want to order everything, or maybe we will go for another shop in there. We are putting cuts.
Stop.